Amber Heard spotted for first time since verdict in Johnny Depp defamation trial. Amber Heard's outing comes just over a week after a verdict was reached in her 6-week defamation trial with ex-Johnny Depp. Amber Heard has been spotted in public for the first time since the verdict in the defamation trial with her ex-husband Johnny Depp. 8 days after the Pirates of the Caribbean actor was awarded $10.35 million in damages as a result of the verdict, with Heard, 36, awarded $2 million in damages in a countersuit. The Aquaman actress was photographed out and about on Heard, who was with her sister Whitney Enriquez, assistant and bodyguard, and wore a green top, as her blonde hair hung in waves down her back, flew into New Jersey's Teterboro Airport via private plane around noon on Thursday. She was then driven to New York City before heading back to the airport and flying into Washington, D.C., that same day, where she returned to her rental home in Virginia that evening. On June 1, the 7-person jury reached a verdict in the trial that began April 11, deciding that Depp, 59, proved Heard defamed him in her 2018 op-ed about coming forward with sexual violence. The jury awarded Depp $15 million in damages, but Heard will only have to pay $10.35 million due to a Virginia law limiting punitive damages. The judge reduced in her countersuit. Heard won one of the 3 defamation counts, and was awarded $2 million in damages. Never miss a story. Sign up for People's free daily newsletter to stay up to date on the best of what People has to offer, from juicy celebrity news to compelling human interest stories. Depp and his fans celebrated the verdict after it was read in court in Fairfax County, Virginia, with the actor saying, "The jury gave me my life back," in a statement. Heard, meanwhile, called the decision a setback for women. Her lawyer Elaine Breedhoft said last week that her client plans to appeal the verdict. The jurors found that Heard defamed her ex-husband in her 2018 Washington Post op-ed that didn't mention him by name. In it, she wrote that she became a public figure representing domestic abuse and felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out. Depp has maintained that he never assaulted Heard, and claimed she physically harmed him. Depp was spotted less than 24 hours after his legal victory, as he was photographed waving to cameras in the UK, on June 2, wearing a black and white blazer, sunglasses, his hair down and several bracelets. The Sleepy Hollow actor was seen smiling as he departed a hotel in Newcastle. Heard released a statement shortly after the verdict was read last week that said, in part, "I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence and sway of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It is a setback." In his own statement released after the verdict was reached, Depp said in part, "The best is yet to come and a new chapter has finally begun. Veritas numquam perit. Truth never perishes."